All we know, the Surya Grahana, the solar eclipse, has to be happen in the atmosphere on 21st June 2020. The timing of this Surya Grahana is 10:22 a.m. to 1:42 p.m. in India. The time may change according to standard time maintaining in each country. According to Vedic culture, the solar eclipse or Surya Grahana occurring due to one demon called Swarabhanu. Swarabhanu is attacking sun and he is shading the rays of sun. To overcome or get rid from that evil effect, the sun used his reddish rays, which is having poisonous impact. That's why during the eclipse time, people should not come out from their home. It is the Puranic reference. And in Vedic reference also, there are some Vedic suktas mentioned in our Vedas. However, in India, the practice of prayer is persist from the beginning of mankind itself. Hence, the prayers are there for all 8 Dikpalagas, each and every side of the entire universe. One Devas is there. That Deva will protect or help the person to get rid from the bad effects of solar eclipse or lunar eclipse. So, Indronalo Dandadarashta Nirvridihi Jalesha Vayushta Kubera Ishaha Mama Janma Rikshe Mama Rashi Samste Arkobharagham Shamayandu Devaha is the super prayer included all the 8 deities of 8 sides. Indra, the east, Anala, the Agni, the east and south, and Yama, Dandadaraha, the south, Nirruthi, the Kannimulai called southwest, and Jalesha or Varuna for the west, Vayu, the northwest, and Kubhera or Soma in the north, and Ishana for the side of northeast. Generally, in olden days, the Vedic Purohita used to visit houses and give Upadesha for the affected people by chanting some Vedic mantras. Generally, Yoso Vajradaro Devaha Adityanam Prabhurmadaha Sahasranayanaha Surya Grahabidam Vyavohadu. Is general, since Indra is the king of all devas, just praying Indra itself is enough. It will reach all the deities. Likewise, so this sloga is in general use and it can be used for all. Yoso Vajradaro Devaha Adityanam Prabhurmadaha Sahasranayanaha Surya Grahabidam Vyavohadu. This is for prayer of Indra, and each and every deities concerned have prayer, but that's no problem. Just recite it. This sloga, and since the eclipse occurring on the star Rohini, Mrigashirsha, Tiruvadira, and Chitra and Avittam stars. It is occurring on Mrigashirsha star. Mrigashirsha's Janma, Anujanma, Trijanma nakshatra are Chitra and Savista, and nearest stars is Rohini and Tiruvadira. So the 5-star born person has to do pariharam to ill affect the bad effects of Surya Grahanam. So take a bath in the morning and pray well during this eclipse time. The 5 persons already mentioned may give danas to Vedic Brahmins, and after 1:42 p.m. take a bath and have food. If any doubt arise, please contact me. My number is 8943340423.